If you don't like guessing games but still want to win at trading, then mastering indicators is your golden ticket. All right, let's break it down. First, understand the types. Trend indicators like moving averages tell you where the market's heading. Momentum indicators, such as RSI, show the speed of price changes. Volatility indicators like Bollinger Bands reveal price fluctuations. And volume indicators like OBV gauge the strength of price moves. Next, pick what suits your strategy. For trend following, go with moving averages or MACD. Hunting for reversals, try RSI or stochastic oscillator. Trading on volatility, Bollinger Bands are your friend. Combine indicators for confirmation. Don't rely on one. Mix trend, momentum, and volume indicators for a clearer picture. Customize settings to fit your style. Shorter periods for day trading, longer for swing trading. Always use indicators alongside price action. Look at patterns, support resistance levels, and backtest your strategy. Monitor and tweak as needed, but avoid overloading on indicators. Stick to a few that work well together. Keep learning and stay updated. And that's your quick guide to trading like a pro. Happy trading.